Let's take a look at what's in the new TapRooT software release, version 6.17. In the latest version, we have simplified the banner and the workflow menus for easier navigation. Notice that there are no tabs at the top and all menu items are conveniently placed on the left-hand side of the page. You will see your recommended workflow and other menu options there. The TapRooT process overview is available here as well. This is formerly known as the Reference tab. It is a reminder of each phase and every step of the TapRooT process. Attachments can also be accessed from the left menu as well. In this version, you can copy attachment images and add it to your report template images. By clicking on the Copy to Template Image button, the image will appear below. Here you can reorder what will be displayed on the report or just remove them altogether. After working on your snap chart, did you realize that there's nothing left to learn from your investigation? Now the workflow slider reminds you to stop and ask before moving ahead. If no, stop investigating. If yes, proceed to the root cause tree. After performing the root cause tree analysis, is the generic cause analysis worthwhile for your root causes? Ask the question and determine if the generic causes exist in your organization. If the answer is no, proceed directly to the corrective actions. If the answer is yes, utilize the new generic cause analysis method. Click on the generic cause analysis and answer the questions and get an idea for fixing generic causes. In this release, you can open up the root cause tree dictionary and notes at the same time. Close just the notes or both by clicking the X in the upper right hand corner. Now you can add a chat and change the analysis findings in your reports and templates. Open up a report or template under the TapRooT findings and drag and drop the appropriate table onto the page. As administrator, design a customized workflow menu and option menu. In the admin menu, go to the menu and workflow. Create custom menus and put in the menu items including sharing, attachments, and the TapRooT process overview in the appropriate order. User will follow this menu order when navigating the incidents, investigations, or audits. Use the field menu to create and manage your custom fields. Your custom fields can be displayed on your details menu or your custom menu. For more information on getting the latest version, contact TapRooT services at support@taproot.com.